Good morning. It's about a little after 6 in the morning. Here they go. They gonna stop. As soon as I turn this camera on, he get go past and bring my battery down. But that truck made all that noise last night, well, this morning, to block the sound of me recording them demon things. That's the sound they was making. As soon as now I don't hear them no more. Now the truck sounds is gone. And did you see that thing on that video I posted the other day about that demon on that lawnmower tried to run me down? I don't know if you saw it clearly because I see they mess with the quality of the video. But that thing came so close to my tent that it hit me at the very last minute. He turned before he hit my tent. At the very last minute, he turned before he hit my tent. But demon is actually in the spelling of Democrats. I never knew that, but they hide things from us in plain sight. Because demons, D-O-M-O-N, Democrats, D-O-M-O. And Dem is not D-E-M, Dem is D-I-M. So, like I said, if you spell Dem, it's D-I-M, not D-E, demon. But I think they bit off more than they can chew. They are so angry around me now. They are mad, as the words say. Hell. But guys, I'm going to try to string these along because, as you know, sometimes I can record a long time, at least up to 10 minutes. But I'm going to string these 3 videos along together. And it's almost time for me to call that Obama demon care provider. Let's see what happens.